Fry the Iberian ham slices first. Pan-fried halibut. Sprinkle salt. Put sage. Peppercorns. Pour in the prepared morel soup. Add bamboo fungus. Pour in milk to taste. Pour in the uncooked rice. Add half the water. Add a small amount of soy sauce. Stir. Cover the pot. And cook until there is no moisture. Sprinkling with sliced peppers and ham cracklings. Pan-fry beef short ribs. Add salt. Add some chili powder and minced garlic. Fry it again and add some butter. Toast the butter with fire. Enjoy your meal.